Are you experiencing a case of the chills? We know how difficult it can be to find a reputable company for furnace repair in Cambridge, Kitchener, Waterloo, and surrounding areas. The problem is ensuring that you call the right company so your furnace repair happens fast and right the first time, and at the best price, so you can get on with what's most important to you. Don't worry, Aircore has you covered. We only work with the best suppliers in the business, and we have many satisfied customers that can attest to the fact that we treat our customers like family. And that is because we are a family-owned and operated company, proud to provide the best service available. And we ensure that your furnace repair in Cambridge, Kitchener, Waterloo, and surrounding areas is done right the first time. Give us a call today. You'll be glad you did.